Good morning. I am Mr. Rajaram Pai, basically from Bangalore. I was doing business in Bangalore of a lot of companies. I was a distributor for a lot of companies. After I gave up all this, gave up my business, I have come and started a farm about 15 years back. Now I am into farming and dairy farming also. I have some cows. I have been experimenting on these kind of animals because I am an animal lover. The benefits of silage, point number 1. It is highly nutritious. Added with the minerals, it will give you a very good yield. It saves a lot of money because the feed rates are very high. Silage gives you a filling and the animal reproductivity is also very good. Profitability is increased, and I find that silage is the best. But only my advice is that you buy fresh, good quality silage. That I think I have found Cornext is one of the best. And each cow, if you give them around say 20 kilos a day, the health of the animal, the activity of the animal, the yield of the milk, everything is good. So, and the profitability for the farmers, what I am saying is that it will definitely give a higher return, and as I say, you can try it because I have tried it. For example, why I am talking about the silage. This silage, for example, you can see the cow. This is, her name is Lakshmi. Lakshmi came as a young calf to my place, and she was very weak and not having any nutrition. By feeding certain kind of like silage and my minerals and things like that, she is now well grown and she is giving good milk. But I have to explain to you one thing, that in the beginning, when she calved, this is the first calf, that is the first calf, that one, that is the first calf. When Lakshmi started giving milk, she was giving only 4 liters in the morning and 3 liters in the evening. So I wanted to improve upon her. So what I did was, I started experimenting, like giving feed, like giving dry grass, green grass and silage, plus my own minerals. After I have given her the kind of food like silage and things like that, she has improved her milking capacity from 7 liters to 25 liters. Mind you, sir. So silage can give you a lot of advantage. There is a proof here. There is a proof here. This is a 2 months improvement. Only a 2 months improvement I am telling you. So that is what I was trying to tell you, that silage can give much better mileage and much better health to the animal. The productivity is also will be very good, and the health of the cow. The main thing over here is, in a dairy farm, the first and foremost thing is the health of the cow. How do you maintain the health of the cow? You have to maintain you have to clean the total shed every day, give them bath every day. That is where the first thing comes in. Second thing is the food. Yes, I will have to show you the improvement of the cow, and she is the only milking cow I have. If you see the record here, it gives you only 5 to 7 to 8 liters, that's all, in the beginning. This is in Canada in the month of March or something like that. March, then it see 112 onwards. This is about a month or so. In this 40-50 days, we have been getting 25 liters a day. The proof is here. where I supply the milk to the Nandini booth, Nandini milk depot, and this is the proof what I am getting. Previously, about the machine, this machine is actually Make in India machine, and this is known as MSB 580 Pro. This is manufactured by this Cornext, Hyderabad, where they have the top quality and they maintain their quality. This baling machine is very economical. It has all the kind of service required. They will give you the service 24/7, either by their technician or by video calling. And I found that the service is excellent. And the preservation of this bale, as I was explaining, when you have 1 acre of land, you are sowing, you are getting the corn, whatever it is, but you are wasting your 1 acre. Here what happens is, you cut the corn in 1 day, bale the corn in 1 day, make silage, keep it. You can use your 1 acre spare for some other reasons, some other crops and things like that. And this machine is totally Indian, and they are exporting it to say around 20 to 22 countries. Thereby you can just imagine their quality and their service. Because of their service and quality, they have been able to sell a lot of machines like this to farmers like me. And this is a patented machine, where it is, when I say patented, nobody else can use this patent or whatever technology they have. And this is run by only electricity or a generator. And therefore, it is very economical to use this machine. I advise all the farmers, all the dairy people to use this machine. Try for yourself. You will definitely benefit. I have been benefited by it. As I was talking about this machine, I have purchased this machine paying cash for all the equipments like tractor, this baling machine, all these kind of machinery and generators and things like that. I have paid money for that. But what I am suggesting is that a farmer will not have the capacity to buy these kind of machines because of the cost involved. So what I feel is that the state government should ensure that the farmer gets his due, because the agriculture sector as such is in problems, as everybody knows it. So what I suggest is that even in every taluka, at the government level, they should come into support the farmer with this kind of technology and this kind of machinery, so that the fodder problems will be solved. This is my humble request to the government to do all the kind of needed support should be given. And I feel that once the support is given, a lot of the major part of the fodder problem will be solved. That is what I feel. Thank you very much. If you need any further details, contact me. I am Rajaram Pai from Onswadi. Thank you.